GM, and welcome to Crowdfunding with KYC, a KYC powered cross chain crowdfunding solution built on Mantle blockchain. So, what problems does crowdfunding application aims to solve? So, first of all, it's a crowdfunding application built on blockchain, on Mantle blockchain. So, the various features that it provides are interoperability, accessibility, security, transparency, and global reach. So, by making a cross-chain crowdfunding project, we leverage different blockchain networks, but we are built based on Mantle. So, Mantle Fund application can facilitate the transfer of funds between different cryptocurrencies and tokens. The security that comes with Mantle as its layer 2 solution. So now let's take a quick look at the uh, GitHub repo and the project. So we have a deployed link for the project, which is matpilfund.wholesale.app. So this is a cross-chain crowdfunding application built with KYC, and the KYC feature is implemented via Know Your Cat. So this is a quick demo of the project. This is where all the campaigns would be listed, and they would be listed like hover effect, and we can just connect. We can connect our wallet using the connect button, and after you connect your wallet, you must have some Mantle tokens to test our application as it's built on Mantle. So we can go on the campaign page to create a new campaign. So let's fill this form quickly, and we can set the end date. Let's set it to September 16, and let's submit the campaign. So a transaction would pop up for creating this on-chain transaction, and yes, the new campaign gets listed very quickly, and the image is also loaded. You just need an image address. So someone wants to build a hospital, and someone wants to build a metaverse project. So now we have other features like analyze, which fetches the data feeds, notifications, which are push notification, my campaigns, so the campaigns created by me, and the NFT claiming feature, which would be the airdrops to the early supporters of the campaigns. Now let's see. Now the best part is you can click on the campaigns, and you see this is the amount that they want to raise, and this is the amount they have raised, number of days left, total number of supporters. There are one supporters, and we can also see this bar which gets to 20%. Now the KYC features comes into play here, where when the supporters want to back the campaign, in order to have proper information on who is backing whom. Otherwise, there might be cases of frauds where black money could be sent to each other. So there the KYC feature comes into play. And now, so here I would like to show you the contract where we have implemented the KYC Know Your Cat feature. So under smart contracts, when we go to contracts, and this is the crowdfunding contract, and this is the category contract that we have deployed on Mantle testnet. That the link you can find in the README. And this is the main contract, which is crowdfunding.sol. Um, Here we are passing the source IDs, and we initialize the category contract via the BAP token. And this is the testnet address. The address we get it from that is the address of the aggregator. So we get it from testnet. This is the same address of it, and then the sources which we get from source id.sol from the know your cat SDK, and we initialize the category contract that we deployed. And the main thing is when we try to donate to someone in the campaign, uh, it requires a condition that your category count should exist for the message.sender. What this means is when someone else like say a B person supporter comes in and he tries to fund your campaign, so it is necessary that he should have a BAP token or a KYC token either on the Mantle testnet. So he should have. So when you try to fund how much this needed, so 0.05. So let's try to completely fund it. Like now 0.04 is needed for the hospital, and this is just for testing purposes. And then you can, like it says, do you have a ZK back token? And if you don't have, it will ask you to mint it. Since I have it, so I can go finally and interact and fund the campaign. So once I try to fund the campaign, you will see that thank you for funding the campaign, and now all the money is raised, and there are two backers, and the donator's address is shown here. Both the times I have donated with the same address, so it is shown in the donator. Also, there are other cool features like this is super fluid, where the backers or the supporters who want to support this campaign can also um, support using, like if you want, just pass the creator's address and enter the flow rate, and then you can, like and this would be the DIEX per month that you would be streaming. So it's like streaming the tokens. You can create your stream, update or delete your stream. But in this hackathon, we have implemented the KYC feature, which was a very important feature for this application, as we don't want simply users who want to send like black money. We want a complete this is sort of a decentralized application, but we want to know our customers, know our backers who are backing on the platform, so that everything is pretty secure. Here we see that 10 MNT tokens are needed for this campaign for creating the metaverse project. And yeah, similarly, we can fund this one. Yeah, so this is the dashboard. Um, this crowdfunding was sold, and the category.sol was deployed, just to show in the readme where the address is there. So this is the crowdfunding deployed contract, and the zk KYC category on mantle is deployed on this address. Thank you for watching.